How many more are coming in?
Couple. I don't know, 2, 3. He's down.
You guys want all this?
Yeah.
Come on upstairs.
What do you see, Josh? What do you got?
2 guys right here.
All right.
Get them, they're just peeking.
Hey, I'm gonna keep. Watch out! They just threw something.
Where was that?
Outside the door.
Shit. I heard it.
Dead man. Come on out. Make sure you wave that dead flag out because there's 2 guys right here that they will cap your ass. Dead man walking.
No, you're good. Once you get outside.
Dead man walking.
Somebody just needs to keep an eye that way.
Yep. We got friendlies back here.
You sure?
Not to go for space. When you come back up the road, we're in the tree line to the left by the silos taking heavy fire. Just careful.
I think there should be a flashlight.
That's a good copy, Space. Thank you.
In this?
Yes. That pouch. Thank you.
Gunther, this is Chaos 1-3. Gunther, this is Chaos 1-3. There are 2. We have 2 friendlies in the doorway we're supposed to clear. Dalton and Brad.
Glasses are fogging up.
I think they're keeping them covered right now.
On that corner?
Hey, Josh.
Yeah.
I need you to poke and look.
Great.
I got somebody here that can medic you if you get shot.
I'll just throw my thumb pouch.
Where are they? Where are they?
Cutting across the window.
No, you don't shoot them.
Huh?
You don't shoot the van.
Why?
Only rockets.
Humvees are in play. They said light it the fuck up.
No, ask him. Only rockets can.
There's one with a dead rag out. No. We got one running out there with a dead rag on site still.
Only rockets can shoot at Humvees, right?
Hit!
Hit fire!
Hey, I'm hit!
Let's see. He hit?
Yeah. Get ready. Drag him back. Hurry. Drag him. Drag him.
Stop fucking yanking me. I'll fucking walk. Shit.
I didn't know what I meant. Sorry.
All right. Wrap him up.
Backpack, top pocket.
Hey, get out of the doorway. Get out.
Holy crap.
I'm getting heavy contact on the back wall.
Heads up. Heads up.
Same pocket.
Let us know. ETA 30 seconds.
It's top pocket right here.
Here?
Speed, I need the exact coordinates, bud. You got a map on you?
We got a heavy gunner aiming at us.
Continue on the road and make a left. That's a good copy. 30 seconds.
Y'all hear me?
Yeah, I heard you. Can't do anything about it. Find it? Tight around.
Alan, can any of y'all get this heavy gunner out in the middle of the open?
Tight off.
Heads up, grenade. We were behind doors.
Got two coming in. Two coming in.
No, they're dead. Oh shit.
I got him. Watch the other side.
We're engaging hostiles. Clear them out right behind you, buddy.
We have heavy hostiles in the lower stairwell. Yep.
There they are.
We got smoke coming.
Is that them talking?
Yeah, that's them talking. They're down.
Hey, 120 over. I'm on the road. He's right where
Is there anybody there?
the roads and everything.
Right here, left side door. You dead?
Right here. That's a good copy.
Is he dead right here?
I need you though when you get on this road to
Admin
keep going
coming out.
at the end to the left of the heavy engine. Man. Lobby are embedded with a squad to the left of the tree line.
Yeah, right in the head. Nice shot. Nice shot. Kicking like a man.
Oh shit!
Wow.
Well, that was not a waste.
To your right. Stop. All stop. All stop.
Son of a bitch! Watch out. There's quite a few over there.
Side to the side. Copy. I got eyes on you, Spain.
I think we just took out the rival, you know?
Yeah.
What? Whoa, 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 whoa.
White
Dude, we have.
We got lit the fuck up. I got airstrike like twice.
Really?
Yep.
Damn.
Alright, watch out.
Hey, anybody got an extra bandage? Sally's busted outside.
I've only got mine.
I got 4 in my bag.
So back goes.
What's it?
Go. Get him. Take him. I'll ban him.
It's in the top bag. I took out their heavy gunner. Oh shit! What? Huh?
We got a squad leader or something out here?
You see it? Shit, hurry.
Oh, we got one down.
Yeah.
Where you at? You want to get
All right. Get up. Get up. Hold on. Keep him pinned down. I need somebody to keep him pinned down. Oh, they're not.
Direct hit.
Oh, hit.
Last man.
That was pretty grenade, but it right on him. Right on him.
I took one right in the fucking lip. Top pouch.
Dead man walking.
What do they got?
They're just hunkered down in the corner over there.
Two corners up there too.
They're easily taken.
Josh, here.
copy? It looks like you're cleared all the way to that first hill.
If I could just get some, I need, all you need is cover fire over there to get something over there.
People down the hill as well. I don't know how far
Them?
Yeah. I see one.
We should call on the airstrike, but I can't get a hold of my freaking platoon leader.
Come down that hill any? That is a negative. We're up here until you wave us off.
Jesus Christ, they're still there.
One's still on that corner.
Hey, there's two sitting there. Are they dead? Hey, back out. No, he's getting medic. He's getting medic.
Where do we take?
Where's fire coming from?
We take inside.
Sorry.